In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails from the Promotions tab to the Primary tab in Gmail. If you ever feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of emails landing in your Promotions tab, and you fear missing out on important emails, this guide is especially for you. Managing your inbox efficiently can help you stay organized and ensure that you never miss emails that matter the most to you. Let's dive into the simple process that will make your email management a breeze. To begin, open your Gmail account and take a look at the top of your inbox. Here you'll notice several tabs: Primary, Social, and Promotions. These tabs are Gmail's way of automatically categorizing your emails to help you manage them better. However, often emails that should be in your Primary tab, those from friends, family, or crucial updates, might end up in Promotions. Moving them is straightforward and can be done with just a couple of quick steps, so let's go ahead and look at the process. First, take your cursor and click on the Promotions tab. This is where Gmail collects all the emails it deems to be promotional content like newsletters, discounts, and offers. Scrolling through this tab, identify the email or emails you wish to move to the Primary tab. Once you've found an email you'd like to move, the next action is simply to drag and drop. Also, this is an interactive method and quite intuitive, so grab that email with a click and then drag it over to the Primary tab. You'll notice the Primary tab will become highlighted to show it's ready to accept your email. This action tells Gmail you believe that emails of this nature belong in your Primary tab, so release the email when you're hovering over Primary. Now here's the clever part. Once you drop the email into the Primary tab, a small pop-up will appear at the bottom left corner of your screen asking if you wish to do this for similar messages in the future. By clicking yes, you're training your Gmail inbox to automatically place emails from that sender directly into the Primary tab going forward. Remember, keeping your inbox organized can greatly enhance your productivity, ensuring that you reserve your focus for truly important messages. By making use of this simple drag and drop feature, you're taking control of your email delivery and personalizing your inbox to better serve your needs. And there you have it. With just a couple of clicks and a drag, you can shift important emails from Promotions to Primary, making sure you have a tidy mailbox that's tailor-fit for your lifestyle. Thanks for joining, and I hope this helps keep you on top of your digital correspondence. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Gmail tips and tricks.